knowledge externally acquired is absolutely important. A very keen observation of events unfolding in politics, in economics, in monetary economics, the irreversible meltdown of the US dollar that we've been anticipating for years now. A keen observation and an effort to understand with the external eye events unfolding in politics and economics is absolutely important. But there is also the necessity for internal, intuitive, spiritual insight to go beyond the external world to reach its internal substance. That you cannot understand the world today unless and until you recognize that appearance and reality on all things connected with the Antichrist are opposite to each other. And unless and until you see with the internal eye in addition to the external sight, you will be deceived and misguided. You will not be able to understand and interpret the world today. We need, therefore, an epistemology to deal with an age of awesome deception.
I bet you can be more comfortable with your period.
There's a lot to love about Toyota trucks, like the full-size.
I know there's someone out there for me. That's why I call Live Links.
As long as you want. IHOP, come home.
Now get Comcast.
Satisfy your hunger? Good, because now when you buy a
As we witness the world evolve, is the individual in effect devolving? With each passing moment, our lives are moving on a faster rate, rushing. But do we ever pause and reflect, ponder, question? How did it come to this? A world run through systems, a mechanical labyrinth, built as a prison where the bars are invisible. It exploits our insecurities, enriches itself on our ignorance, suppresses our ambitions. Have our goals been diverted from achieving the infinite to supplicating for the temporary? Have we lost sense of ourselves? Is the thing we are chasing real or illusion? In Arabic, the term for Antichrist is the Jad, the great deceiver, the great deceiver. Have we been deceived? Have we begun to believe his lies? Have we accepted his definition of happiness, success, truth? Have we been deceived to believe in the false and reject the truth?
That's the trick. Learn to live simple. They hate it. Learn to say, I'm good, you can keep it. They hate it. Walk with God. We need to go to the top or to the bottom. We need to go to where the real architecture of government is. And it's not in a president. It's in a global scheme to make the 99% work for the 1%. And the 99% are going along with it because they're tempting you with everything you want. In rap, a rapper named T.I. put a record out. He said, you can have whatever you like. Americans love that. You can have whatever you like.